What's up guys, Joey Salads here, and today we're going to be pranking my girlfriend Gila. I got this spray bottle of, I don't know what it is, and I'm going to pretend like I'm sneezing on the back of her neck and make her think I did something gross and disgusting. So let's see her freak out. So please like, subscribe, comment below what other pranks I should do. Let's do this.
Everyone got a facial done.
Did you have a good day today?
Mm-hmm.
You like when I kiss you, don't you?
What? What? What are you doing? You look at my mustache.
I kiss you. I love your mustache.
Ew, stop. What are you doing?
Huh?
Ew, Joe!
Oh, it's snot coming out of my.
Ew! Ew! Why did you cover your mouth? Ew, get it off me! Get it off me right now. Joe, cover. This is why I say cover your mouth. Go, Joe.
Oh, I did something wrong with my nose.
Are you kidding me? That's disgusting, Joe. I'm actually serious. Can you get this off me? That's disgusting. Like, I have your snot on me, please. I'm serious. What the f is wrong with you? Go clean your nose. Wash your hands right now. Give me this. Oh my god, ew. Oh my god, I'm gonna take her throw up. Ew. That's disgusting.
You got a little bit on your cheek.
Ew, get it off. Where? Joe!
This is all over you.
Get out. I'm so annoyed with you. Cover your mouth.
Gila. It was your hair product.
You know? Guess how much this is?
$35 per
No. This was $55. This is the big version.
Jesus Christ.
You don't just waste this
It's
for
not
a prank.
brand deal, so hold it that way. Well, no, just hold it away.
No, girls, if you want something that's
No, not a brand deal.
Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, notifications on. Comment below is another prank I should do to Gila. Trying to make her life a living nightmare. Welcome to the channel. I should just call this channel Gila's Nightmare. Peace out, guys.